Just doing a steering wheel install. Got the banjo steering wheel in. Basic 3-hole setup. So just put that piece on, put your horn wire through, line it up to the 3 holes. Same thing with the steering wheel. Just put it on, horn wire through the hole, and put your bolts in. This one came with that extra wire for the horn. You just put that through one of the bolts there. Then you connect to your horn cap.
Are you fixing some more?
So I got it installed. Got everything in there. Got that wire down to 1 bolt.
No monster can get us like that. Ow, you hit my head.
Then you just attach the horn.
What? What, Furman?